everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute patriotic DIY. So I grabbed one of those galvanized mason jars that I got at Dollar Tree in the Crafter's Square section. Keep checking yours. Mine ran out in 24 hours. I happened to grab this. These super cute stars and stripes flowers were also from Dollar Tree. I got this tin star at Target at Christmas time. It was a Christmas ornament. It came 2 in a pack. The scrapbook paper is from Hobby Lobby. And then for the Scrabble letters, I just took USA out of the big pile of Scrabble letters that I have. So the first thing that I did was trace out my mason jar onto the back side of the scrapbook paper. Now you can choose whether you want it to go vertical or horizontal. That's up to you as far as the line goes on the scrapbook paper. I chose for them to go horizontal. So once I had that all cut out, I'm going to Mod Podge that right on to the galvanized mason jar. I just put a nice thick coat of Mod Podge on. Laid the book paper on, and then just smoothed it out with my hands. And then I let it dry. And once it was dry, I had sanded off the edges because there was a little bit of a hangover. Next, I took the flowers that I had and I cut the little green stems off the back of the heads of the flowers. And then I'm just going to arrange them in the top of the mason jar. And I'm just going to hot glue them into place. You can use any kind of flowers you want if you can't find these. Any red, white, and blue will do just fine. You could even do all white, all blue, all red. It's totally up to you. I just really wanted to use these ones because I thought they were really cute. They have like little sparkly centers. They're adorable. So now I have all my flowers glued. How super cute is that? Next, I'm going to hot glue the star. First, I cut off the hanger with just a pair of clippers. Then I'm going to hot glue that right there into the center of the mason jar. Kind of break up the starkness of the scrapbook paper that I used. I'm just going to let that dry for a second. Next, I'm going to take my Scrabble letters and I'm going to write USA at the bottom, just hot gluing my Scrabble letters on. And that is it. Super quick and easy DIY, and it's super adorable. I really hope you enjoyed this project as much as I enjoyed making it. And please don't forget to spread the chaos. Thank you for watching.